Hey there, how's it going? I am so excited to show you this updated, completely written, and really high-quality product on one of the hottest topics ever, Facebook remarketing, which you can sell under your own name and keep all of the money for yourself. But before I show you the really hot stuff just released to the online market, let me ask you a few questions. Do you actually own a product? Is your product absolutely great? Are you actually making a killing with your product right now? If you own the perfect product, you have in your hands a crazy profit-making machine that you can turn on whenever you want, make money with it as many times as you want, and even create a monthly membership as well. But creating a product takes great talent, a lot of time and effort, and of course, thousands of dollars. I know you agree with me 100% on that. What if someone who has the expertise, the time, and even the money to do it all for you says, "Hey, buddy, download my product, put your name on it, send some traffic to it, and keep 100% of the money for yourself. It's yours, man. Have fun." Wouldn't that be great? That's exactly what my HQPLRstore.com team has done again for launching our latest creation, Facebook Remarketing 2019-20 Success Kit, Monster PLR. This is something millions of online marketers would kill to get access to. And finally, we as marketers can make some crazy money starting today. You'll get all the source material, all the training material, all the selling material, all the graphics, sales pages, images, swipe emails, videos, PowerPoint, everything. And every single item comes with private label rights. Here is exactly what you get. Module number 1, high-quality training guide. A unique and completely updated training guide full of examples and highly effective, very easy-to-apply techniques. Module 2, cheat sheet. This cheat sheet is a handy checklist that your customers can print out and use to easily take action at every step of the process. Module 3, mind map. This is a really cool mind map outlining the complete training. This will give your customers an overview of every step they are going to apply. Module 4, top resources report. Here you'll have access to a complete niche research report showing you the best videos, tools, training courses, blogs, forums, affiliate programs, demographics, webinars, infographics, case studies, and facts. Module 5, high converting sales copy. We are product creators. We have sponsored a lot of successful launches. We really know how to create high converting sales copy, and that's what you are going to get in this product as well. You'll find several text formats for the sales letter, exactly as it is on the sales page. Module 6 professional mini sites. It comes with every single HTML page that your product needs. Homepage, contact, privacy policy, terms of use, opt-in page for buyers, download page, and even an affiliate page already formatted with the animated banners and the swipe emails for your affiliates. We went even farther and will provide 6 different mini sites with different colors. Module 7, doodle style sales video. Everybody loves videos. It's a fact that video is being used on almost every single sales page you come across. That's why we have decided to do what the gurus are doing. That is, add an expensive doodle-style video on the sales page to skyrocket your conversions right at the beginning. Module 8, swipe emails for affiliates. We have prepared a set of highly effective emails ready to use so you can provide them to your affiliates to skyrocket your sales by promoting your training. Module number 9, complete set of animated banners. Banners are highly effective when used to advertise on the internet. Animated banners grab viewers' attention a lot more. So, we decided to create a complete set of animated banners so you don't spend unnecessary time and money creating them. Module number 10, complete set of professional graphics. We are serious about giving you every single thing you need to start making money with this quickly, including every single graphic you'll ever need to sell your training guide. Complete set of 3D e-cover graphics, download button, complete set of graphics for all PDF files, etc. Fast action bonus, how to set up a killer funnel, A to Z video series. Of course, we won't leave you by yourself. We really want you to make money with this as quickly as possible. For that reason, we are proud to offer this amazing, hot bonus that you will get up and running and selling your product in no time. We will provide you with a high-quality, high-definition video training course that will show you the 3 easy steps you need to apply to start making great money with this today. The 3 easy steps we will cover in this video training are: Step 1, download. Step 2, edit. Step 3, upload. I'm talking about a detailed 140-plus minute live video training session that will show you every detail you need to know to set up your killer sales funnel in the shortest time possible, using one of our success kits as a live example. We are talking about 10 big modules, all of them valued at over $2,000 within this package, plus the killer live video training valued at over $1,000. We actually offer a basic and exclusive product creation service like this for $1,000 to our private clients. That's no joke. We can easily sell this package with PLR for $47 a pop, and people will pay us that much money with a big smile. But we decided to give it all to you with a really cool discount, but only for the next few days. The price will reset to its original once these few days have passed, guaranteed. There is nothing to do on your end. We did all the grunt work for you. Get access to your package while it's still available for much less than its actual selling price, and you'll get access to everything you need to sell your own high-quality product starting today. Click the button below and make a killing by selling the most updated and easy-to-apply Facebook remarketing training on the web.